This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Monica Swanson. Pride of ownership is evident in this well-maintained and immaculate home located in the heart of Ruskin. This beautiful home features an open concept floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The bright open kitchen features energy-efficient appliances, hardwood cabinets and dining room to enjoy your family meals. The large living/great room allows plenty of room for family and entertaining and opens through the sliders to a charming garden view. The owner suite features an ensuite master bath with oversized walk-in closet and separate shower. Enjoy your weekend cookouts barbecuing in the privacy of your large fenced-in yard. The community offers many amenities including a pool, cabana, playground, dog park, ponds, and gorgeous nature trails throughout community. Close to great restaurants, shopping, Ruskin's Little Harbor Resort and Marina, for example Simmons Park, and the Manatee Viewing Center located in Apollo Beach. Enjoy the Florida lifestyle with boating, fishing, swimming, and watching the stunning sunsets. Located just minutes from major highways, major sport attractions and Tampa Bay's stunning beaches. This home is ready to welcome its new owners. For more information, review the details below or contact Monica Swanson at 813-296-1393.